right, rift in Mahayuti ahead of elections is what it appears. Fadnavis has hit out at Ajit Pawar on Batenge remark. Fadnavis says Ajit had anti-Hindu thoughts. Fadnavis has said these people could not understand the sentiment of the public or could not understand the meaning of this slogan, or while speaking they wanted to say something else and the meaning was taken out to something else. Ajit Pawar had such thoughts which were anti-Hindu, so it will take time for Pawar to understand the mood of the people, the mood of the public.
शायद ये लोग या तो जनता का सेंटिमेंट नहीं समझ पाए या फिर इस बात का वो मतलब नहीं समझ पाए या बोलते हुए वो शायद कुछ और कहना चाहते हैं और उसका अर्थ अलग गए। जनता का मिजाज और नेशनलिस्ट मिजाज ये समझने में थोड़ा समय उनको लगेगा। बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, इसका अर्थ समाज को एकत्रित रखना है और मुझे लगता है इसमें कोई गलत बात नहीं।
महाराष्ट्र हा शिवशाहू फुले आंबेडकरांचा महाराष्ट्र आहे। तुम्ही इतर राज्यांची महाराष्ट्राची तुलना करू नका। महाराष्ट्रातल्या लोकांना हे अजिबात आवडत नाही। महाराष्ट्रातल्या लोकांनी सातत्याने जातीय सलोखा ठेवण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे आणि शिवशाहू फुले आंबेडकरांची विचारधारा ही सगळ्या 18 पगड जाती 12 बलुतेदारांना बरोबर घेऊन जाण्याची आहे। त्याच्यामुळे बाहेरचे लोक
All right, Vidya getting in more details on that story. Vidya, it's as clear as we can see it really with these statements coming in from Devendra Fadnavis. What is evident is that they clearly aren't on the same page, which has been evident from day one, isn't it? The moment the slogan was put out.
Well, NCP of the Ajit Pawar faction never really had a very right-wing image. If you remember, the ideology of the NCP is more aligned with the Congress, and that's one of the reasons why, when in fact, when the Mahayuti leaders make allegations against the Mahavikas Aghadi of forming an unnatural alliance, this is exactly what the Mahavikas Aghadi leaders point back at them, saying that Ajit Pawar, look, the way he is in fact right now speaking. In fact, though he had never spoken so outrightly earlier, but now that when the election is coming closer, as a date nears, he has been speaking quite outrightly against these sloganing, especially pointing out that these kind of slogans will not work in Maharashtra, which is considered a progressive state, and will see through these statements which actually could harm the campaign of the NCP. And that's one of the reasons why, and especially when, remember when he said all these, that about these very slogans, he had been campaigning in very Muslim dominated pockets of, say, Mankhurd, Shivaji Nagar, or those areas which are essentially, will not take down these slogans easily. So that's one of the reasons why, it is being seen that Ajit Pawar's tempo has certainly changed quite a lot and is slightly different from what the Mahayuti leaders have been speaking about.
All right, so Ajit Pawar had anti-Hindu thoughts is what Devendra Fadnavis has said as far as this slogan Batenge Katenge is concerned. Vidya, tell us a little about how uncomfortable these statements have been for the Ajit Pawar camp really.
Well, this is Ajit Pawar has been speaking against it, and it's not just Ajit Pawar now. There are leaders from other leaders as well. Say, for example, there's Ashok Chavan who is speaking about it. Then there is a BJP leader from Bid herself who is speaking about it. Munde has also specifically, it is reported, spoken about how these kind of slogans will not work in Maharashtra. But Fadnavis has now clarified, saying that these leaders have not really got the entire potent of what really is being said from these slogans. It does not mean divisive, and they are getting the narrative that the Mahavikas Aghadi and the opposition is setting, they are getting enrolled in that. In fact, what they very clearly state is that this actually means that everyone will be together. It is for a unified India that they are talking about, and not talking about just particular one community and pitting them against the other.
Vidya getting into those details as far as a drift is concerned, which is evident for us to see with Devendra Fadnavis saying that Ajit Pawar essentially was anti-Hindu. Those are statements that have come in the context of Batenge to katenge. These are statements that have been made during the course of the election campaign that has upset the Ajit Pawar camp, a crucial part of the Mahayuti.